Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get you approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 in cash. Today, just in, we got a beautiful 2017 Honda Accord. This thing's still under factory powertrain warranty. It's only got 36,000 miles on it. It's practically brand new still. It's a beautiful black and chrome. It's got the alloy wheels on it. Got a little backup camera under the Honda logo there. It's nice and shiny. Inside we got our standard features: power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cloth interior. Starts right up. It is due for an oil change, and we've got it on hand. Just didn't get to it today. Do that tomorrow. As you can see, 36,292 miles. It's got a backup camera built in. It's got nice cold air. All your standard features: AM/FM radio, cruise control, Bluetooth, etc. Three shoulder strap seat belts in the back. Makes it a 5-passenger sedan. Or you can fold down the center in the back and have 4 comfortably with drinks. It's got a huge trunk space. I don't think the spare tire's ever been out from underneath. Of course, you got your lug nuts there and a brand new jack. Oh, lug nut lock is what I meant to say. Beautiful black on black. It's got the owner's manual, I believe, in there. Headliner's in good shape. Tires are decent. Motor's nice and clean and quiet. This one won't last long. Love to get you approved on it. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application. That'll send it to us. We'll be able to get your credit approved and tell you what the down payment, monthly payment is on this car. Remember, trust the duck.